lang ako. Playing dangerous words and I spelled glisten wrong.
Diba?
I'm not literally a starter. I'm just trying to get Louis while doing Puppets Mastery. Literally what I requested.
Hindi ano. No, sa gabi, sa akin mo i-connect. Ano kagabi? Oo. Sa akin mo i-connect. Hindi. Kasi malis na. Yan naman sa i-connect mo sa akin. Kasaway ka ha? Nagkakaway ka ha? Ba't ba rin yung walis mamaya? Ba't ba rin yung walis mamaya? At this time. Kumakain ka ng sinusuan ng sinis. Hindi tinawag mo.
Kaman ko ma. Kami eater.
Okay na. Hindi ako kulit eh.
Wala nga eh.
Oh. Ayoko man haol. Hindo nandun yan.
Where is glycinate? Where is glycinate?
Yan yung hubo ko sa kanya.
Hindi ko siya nanggutuan konti kasi naipit ko yung nano ko yung Glycerin, no please. Forgive me. I was finding you but this puppy is trying to kill me.
Hala? Yan. Nakuha na yung walis mo. Sa kalasakay.
I thought Glycerin will see me. I broke Poppy's ankle. I'm just staying here. I will be staying here and stay here in 10 seconds. Ayaw. Wala akong kita ang daspan. Pag-alis ko sa pwesto. Kanina, kakong init na init dito. Excuse me.
Ikaw, bigla na nga agad. Agad ako. Bigla ka agad.
Oh no! I hate you, Liz. I hate you, Liz. I know I'm not be my starter, but I only got Cosmo and Exxon and Poodles and Food and Box Team. That is what I started. Kimmy, it's almost full. Lulululi. See ya. Yeah, solo run. Solo run. Because everyone don't like to play with starters. But me, I wanna play with them. Yeah. The house is heating up. I am now a fully fried chicken. I am a full turkey. What friend is online? Lot of them, but not in Shrimpo, by the way, because I was trying to challenge myself. But I got twisted. Clean. Please no listen. I literally can't. No, I literally don't know where he will go. By the way, it's Blissing Day, so that's why I'm hoping no Blissing. I hate you, Dandy. If I don't have, if I'm Cosmo, I don't have bandage or no bandage at the floor. But if I'm something else, like other tune, bandage, and worst thing when I'm Finn, 2 medkits. And at floor 1 or floor 2, then they literally sells medkits and bandage while we don't have enough tips. No.
a baby.
I said a maybe. Ayan ang electric fan yung nakaka-save ng fresh air. Wag mo naman ano yun, nagre-video ako ma. Dancing around. Kaka. Dear, dancing right away. Music sound. I thought there's some items that I can use. Watch me dancing. Ami. I almost got hit. I broke her ankle again. Or I hit her ankle. Ouchie! Ouchie! Bro, this is low as a turtle. I mean as a snail. Let's do some lights. Let me just get some items. I can see. You know. I hate you very much. Oh my god. God bless you. I'm just trying to trick some twisters. I'm just playing with I am that far away.
Nakonect mo na sa ilan.
Pagkatapos ko dyan lang, ikaw po nila. So, hindi ko gulo-gulo ang buo. Gulo-gulo ka. I love so much.
I love you so much.
I love so much. Pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. I love you, little princess.
Some simple pictures.
Wow! Wow!
Hi, people's dandy. I will never laugh again. First thing first, I need to get some items. It's called tapos ko to ay bye.
Hi! Just me, marignad.
Oh my god, a blind twisted. Mommy, I'm gonna die here. Yeah. I'm gonna find you for 24 hours if I didn't see you first, or I didn't use you first. I'm gonna 24 hours finding you. It's just a bit. It's just a bit. Oh, never mind. It's just an empty book. It's just a picture.
Ayaw ko sa inanonood ko naman yung loading.
Not you changing Papa.
Yeah.
I need 20 floors left to survive because I need to survive 24. I 20
No.
because I survived 5 floors. It's because I need to survive 25 floors.